In Forrest Gump, 1994, Lieutenant Dan mocks Forrest, saying, "If you're ever a shrimp boat captain, that's the day I'm an astronaut." Later, when he shows Forrest the new legs lifting him off the ground, he taps them with his cane and says titanium alloy. It's what they use on the space shuttle. And he would have been an astronaut too if hadn't been exposed to the measles. Wait, wrong movie. Gary Sinise also portrays an astronaut in Apollo 13 in '95, the year after Forrest Gump came out. LT Dan shouted, "You chink fuck," during the ambush scene. Ended up having a Vietnamese as his fiancée. I've heard that in a sequel book or something Forrest actually goes to space, making him an astronaut.